I'm Chris. I'm a project developer with Cornerstone Remodeling. One of the most time-consuming aspects of project development and estimating is going out to a customer's home and having to take the time to measure individual rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and just the amount of time that takes. And now with Render, I can go through and scan individual rooms, a group of rooms, a whole first floor, a whole house in just a matter of 15 minutes. I'll have a floor plan, I'll have a 3D model, I can reference window locations, door locations, wall measurements, ceiling heights, room square footages. From there I can make notes, I can export that as a DXF file, and then I can start working in my CAD program. Whether you're a contractor or a design build or a small business, if you value your time, Render is a game changer.